Okay, so we've shown that you can understand moments by how you're pressing down on a spanner when you're trying to move a bolt. And we've shown that you can see that if you're pressing down at an oblique angle, that line of force has a horizontal and a vertical component, which you can then work out what they are and multiply by the perpendicular distance for the vertical component back to the pivot point in order to work out the moment. Now, sometimes though, what happens is you've been pushing down, and you get round to here, and you're now pushing at an oblique angle where you're no longer pushing perpendicular to the spanner. It's not perpendicular, and it's no longer vertically straight up, it's somewhere in between. You're pushing at an angle so that you have a line of force going through here that is not perpendicular to the spanner, and it has a horizontal and a vertical component, neither of which is along the line of force of the spanner. This is the most complicated type of force to understand, a force that has both a horizontal and vertical component, and that force will be the diagonal of that horizontal and vertical component going through here. But now, to work out the moment, you then need to work out this component here times its perpendicular distance back to pivot, and this component here, which is coming up through here, and its perpendicular distance, to work out where its perpendicular distance is back to the pivot point. So you have to use a bit of trigonometry.